joining this program, I used to think that public speaking was a God-sent gift that orators had. It was not something that is learned. But Dirish, through his program, has busted that particular myth.
So I got to know about this program online and through Google search. My issue was more from not practicing well. Means I was into this public speaking in the sense presentations I used to do in my earlier organizations. But last 10 years I have been out of touch.
I'm a fairly confident public speaker by default, but I wanted that extra edge, which can take me forward professionally, personally.
I was looking for a course, I was mainly focused on improving my content and how do I present, and I know nitty-gritties about presenting, especially presenting online. So I contacted Dirish and then went through this program of Own the Stage.
I have learned a lot about communication, public speaking, do's and don'ts of public speaking, as well as a whole lot about speech structuring, scripting.
I have built up the skills around how do you prepare your content and what is the structure, how do you structure your content in such a way that the message goes out. So that's a big learning I have picked up, and I think it would help me in my whatever I'm going to do in the rest of my life, especially with respect to presenting and the kind of teachings and trainings I do.
The past 6 weeks, I think I've learned a lot, and he's helped me make that transition from good to better. There's a lot that we still need to work on, but Dirish has provided us direction, and he's given us the tools that we need to work on ourselves.
And he's a very simple and very practical man. So there is a 6-week course and you get to give speeches on your own. And there is a structuring in there, and there is a lot of learning going through this. So I was very fortunate to complete this course now.
So I feel extremely happy with the 6 weeks that have happened so far. The process that has been followed by Dirish and the structure that he has put around the program, especially from how do you deliver your message and what it means to be standing over there and trying to communicate with your audience. And he has shown us that what it is to put a process around learning the art of public speaking.
So I think he's a great coach. He works with each individual to find their strengths and weakness, and how can he guide them in the right direction.
And I will take this forward to great heights, and it will be suitable more for the guys who are in corporates and companies stepping into leadership roles.
It has been an enjoyable journey, and I'm very thankful to all the effort that Dirish has put in bringing me to the place where I am after the completion of this particular course.